Hey boss, what are we doing today?
Hey mate, just need you to head up, take this up, straight up to the music hall up the back for me.
To the granny flat?
Granny flat, music hall, kids retreat, I don't care. Up you go.
Okay.
Thanks mate. Right.
So this is amazing, Glenn. You've got the kitchen, you've got the bathroom, you've got this big air-conditioned space here, but why have I got a guitar in my hands?
Today, my fine little friend, you are Ed Sheeran live at my open home.
And when they come and I try to sing to them and then they run away?
Seriously, have you seen this house? No one's going to be focused on you once they get here. It's fully renovated. You've got this awesome space. Have you seen the bathroom and the kitchen, the ensuite? It's not all about you, Ed.
You've got a point. The house will sell itself.
Okay, so all I'm going to say is, mate, ham it up. It's showtime. Whoa, money first, thanks, eh? Awesome, mate, here's your ticket. Enjoy the show. Got Ed inside and an awesome house as well. Ed, more buyers are here.
I think I paid enough for this.
Thank you so much for coming and I'm glad you loved it. Yep, we'll be in touch, no problems at all.
Boss, I'm exhausted. Can we go?
No, you got another open home / concert here in about 20 minutes, so I suggest you go back inside and work your magic.
In love with the shape of you, push and pull like a magnet too. Though my heart is falling too.